Okay, we're back on our 45 motor. We've only been working on it for, about 3 hours now. All that time it's been hunting down parts, laying out parts, get ready to put together, finding missing parts. We only spent an hour and a half looking for that. Alright, so the James gasket set gives you this format material gasket, which does not compress worth a squat when you're pushing on it with your hand. So that goes in a hole right there, and there's a pin that goes through it. Looks similar to like this piece of welding rod that we can't find, so we're going to use that. So the problem is this is too thick to go in there, and you can't compress enough to get it in there. So I went and found some original cork ones, which is what's supposed to be in there. Here, you're in charge of that. So, these are what we normally use. So this is too thick. That's 38 thousandths. 35 thou. 32 thou. 30 thou. Alright. We got variable thicknesses. Alright, so I marked it where the hole is. So there's how loose it is before you put anything in it. I'm thinking I'm going to go right to the 32. What do you think? I think that's the winner. It still doesn't go in there. So somehow we gotta get that whole thing in there. Appears to be a little tight. So this does not want to go. So I have to modify it. Here's my small modification device. Missing. Thought I had a small rat tail file somewhere. What happened to one reason on your mock-up job you did? Remember that? Mm-mm. We're filing all those fins down. Forgot about that?
Probably seemed like a lot of work, so.
Yeah. Oh, geez, that's heavy. That's heavy around here.
That's why you're so buff.
It might resemble this. Eh?
Yeah, that's right.
See, you went and bought me this one, which is too big, see?
Yeah.
We got this one that's too big. Oh, look what I found. Oh, look what else I found.
Did you find the pin?
Aha. Factory pin. Okay, so there's my fine file that's missing. You didn't buy me a fine one. Alright. There's the pin that goes in there. So there's the factory screen that goes in there. So we can reuse this if you want.
Is there any reason not to?
Not yet. We just have to clean it. There's no hole in it yet, so that's a good sign. We just have to go black and blast and get all this nastiness off of it. We can use it. It'll fit. It might even fit in that hole. I don't want to put it in there right now because that's clean and this is dirty. Alright, I'm going to go clean this. We'll be back. Alright, we got it all cleaned up. Still don't know if it fits yet. Let's see if it fits. came out of there, that means it must be loose. If it was tight, it wouldn't have fallen out. Okay, so stick it in like that. Factory pin. Quite a bit of clearance on it. Okay, oh, this doesn't fit very well. There it goes. Still doesn't work. Nice idea, doesn't work. Must be different sizes. Yeah, I don't think this one came out of this motor. It's not that side. Nope.
Let's use the new one.
Definitely does not want to go in there. Well, the new one had the same issue.
Yeah, but
Like I said, I don't know if this came out of your motor because
yeah, but you're not altering a
we had 3 different
original
motors.
part.
We had 3 different motors we were dealing with. Okay, let's see this one. See, this one has a taper in it, so. Gives the same problem. Doesn't want to go in. All right, let me see what we got here. Hole's definitely tight. Should be lined up right there. We get to worry about that one falling out. There we go. All right, it's in there. That is a snug fit. Those, no way that would ever gone in there. That was what, 8 bigger than that one?
Mm-hmm.
And not as compressible?
Yeah.
New and improved is not improved. Alright, that will work on some other guys' like, but not yours. Alright, so at some point I have to get my file back, because I don't have it right now. We get that in there, don't we? I have to get that out there one of these days. Okay, so we could have still used a welding rod, but we didn't have to. So a little bit of force is needed. We're good with force. So force did the trick. All right, so we have some issues right here. You know what the issue is?
There's nothing in it.
If you put oil in it, it might leak out.
Oh, we need a plug?
We need a plug. Might resemble that. This plug fits all Harleys except Sportsters because they're not really a Harley.
It's the best Harley ever made.
Fits VLs, ULs, RLs, WLs, FLs, ELs. It just don't fit XL.
No, that's
And I don't think it fits K either. Okay, that's a pretty rough looking surface. Evidently I didn't spot face it off for you. So they don't use a gasket on this. Evidently doesn't want to start either. There it goes. Alright. So, unlike a big twin where the frame goes right across this, you can't get in and out. On a 45 at least you can take it back off. So we're going to put a little Jeep, or not Jeep, put a little 3-bond.
Yeah. It's not thread locker, is it?
No, it's not a thread locker, but it will lock the thread up because it's got goop on it.
Why is this so short?
Because that's how Harleys are made.
Does it have a smaller gear on that?
Maybe.
Less wide?
See, I'm making a nice mess there. Should pack it all the way in there. There you go. Almost no mess at all. Except on me and the plug. And the case, soon to be. Ah. Same starting problem.
Is this your ignition there? That's cool.
There it goes.
Is that one of those self-advancing ones?
No.
So it's just like a regular distributor, but electronic.
Just has yeah, just electronic pickup.
So it really just eliminates cleaning your points and changing your condenser out.
Yep.
Everything else the same.
Okay, good and tight. And you wipe off all the goo. Unless you want to see the goo. Did you want to look at the goo? Okay.
I like that.
You like the goo?
Yeah.
Good. I think I got it all off. Except the part that seals. We'll leave that part. Part that seals. Alright, I think I got it all. Get it all from your side?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Alright, good deal. So this is got a paint or they're going to rust. Okay. Now we go the other direction. Probably got stands in the way. There she is. Had to go right there. So now you just barely touch it, it falls on the floor. Be perfect. Okay, so next problem is what? Might leak out that hole. Alright, so what we gotta do is we gotta figure out our oil pump timing. So we need to put this together. So let me gather a few parts and we'll be back on that. I need to Loctite this in here too. So I can find a little goop for that. Alright, we'll be back.